my YouTube channel, The Batch Lady, where I show you how to make fast, simple, homemade meals that you can make in advance, put in your freezer, ready to use whenever you want. Okay, so I want to talk to you today about grab and cook. Now, if you've been following any American freezer videos, you would know that they are called dump bags in America, okay? In the UK, we are calling them grab and cook. Well, on the Batch Lady channel, I'm calling them grab and cook, okay? They are very simple. You basically take all the ingredients that you would lay out ready to cook an evening meal, and instead of cooking it there and then, you're just taking it, the raw ingredients, you're putting them into your freezer bag that you've labeled, okay? And then you're sealing it up and freezing it flat, ready for the freezer. Okay, so no matter how small your freezer, you can just stack them all in flat like this, and you've got all different meals. I've got a pesto sauce here, I've got a ham, chicken and leek pie that I will then just freeze with the pastry on top. I've got a soup mix here. This one is a sharing shish kebab that I'll make with a big salad and cook it up on the barbie probably. So lots of different variations of meals that are all freezable, all easy to use. So why would you do a grab and cook bag? Why would you make them? Okay, and I tell you the best reason why. When you come home from work, or you've had a busy day with the kids or anything like that, you don't want to be thinking all the time of, do I have all the ingredients? What am I making tonight? Have I got a pepper in? Did I have a can of chickpeas? You might not be in the house at the time to check, okay? You want to come in and have a meal that you can cook really quickly and have it ready just there with all the ingredients already in, and that's what grab and cook does for you. You put everything in. You know, I know when I get home that if I've taken this out of the freezer in the morning or the night before, that I've got this pie mix ready to go. I'm going to grab it out of the fridge, it's going to be defrosted, I'm going to pour it in a pie dish, I'm going to layer over some ready roll puff pastry, I'm going to throw it in the oven. It is a grab and cook. I don't have to think about anything other than cooking it. All the ingredients are in there, all that pre-thought has been done in advance. Now, the other good thing is you can make these really, really quickly because you lay them out. I always say if you're going to make one, make two. So just double up your ingredients and have two bags like this, one and then the next one. You know, you've made two meals for the future in minimal time. It takes like a minute extra to double up a recipe, so why wouldn't you? So it just means that you can make these in like 5 minutes. You just put it, you know, chop up your ingredients, weigh it out, add it in, and you are done. There's really, really simple ones. And the difference with grab and cook as well is that they can be used in any appliance, okay? So I'm going to show you how you can use them in an air fryer, a slow cooker, a pressure cooker, an oven. You can use them however you want to cook that meal. You can cook it in that sort of appliance. So we're not dedicated to just making, say, dump bags for slow cookers. We're making grab and cook bags for however you want to cook them. So it's entirely up to you. It's your own personalized recipe. Really simple, really easy to do. Also saves you a bit of money because you can buy some ingredients in bulk and make 2 or 3 of the same thing. And I'll give you different serving suggestions on how you can do them and how you can serve them to make them look a bit different. So it might be, there might be like a pulled sort of thing like pulled pork that you can then put in all different. You might have it on top of nachos, you might have it in buns, you might do it different ways like that, so you don't always have to be eating it in the same way. Grab and cook is the new way forward, guys. If you want to make meals fast, you want to get stuff in your freezer fast, you don't want to have to cook, freeze and cook again. This is all no cook before it goes in the freezer, all no cook. Just grab all your ingredients into the bag, get your bag in the freezer. When you come home at night, whenever you want it, pull it out, grab it and cook it. It's as easy as that, okay? So we're back. The Batch Lady is back with tons of new recipes on YouTube. If you are looking for me, please like and subscribe. It means every time I do a video, it's going to pop back up. I'm sorry, I was away for a bit. I got off of YouTube for a bit. I went much bigger on Instagram and Facebook, and I just didn't have the time to do YouTube as well, and now I've got a bit more extra time, and I'm so excited to be back. I loved having you guys as my audience. I originally started on YouTube and I'm back on YouTube. So come follow the Batch Lady for way more hints and tips on all things related to batch cooking, freezer cooking, and basically saving yourself some time in life and some headspace. See you soon.